Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to go over something else that we're going to be doing to the Camaro, and this is kind of something that's been a long time coming, but I finally got the time to change this out, and it's definitely a little past due, but this is still the stock NPP dual mode exhaust on this car. Of course, she is a 1LE. It's been cammed, tuned. It's got stainless works headers, a couple other goodies under there, but pretty much it's a bolt-on car that makes about 500 horsepower. It's at 495 to the rear wheels. Hopefully this will get me right at 5. You see the muscle truck has been hanging out over here. And so here's what we're going to replace it with. Is the Hooker Blackheart exhaust. And the great thing about this particular exhaust is that you actually get to keep the ZL1H pipe and everything else that comes standard on this car, which we're going to get in the air and we're going to show you that. Breakthrough.
You're closing me up, Crap.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to hold you fast. And this car is about to get extremely loud.
Almost start.
Here we go.
Your muffler, sir.
The restriction, sir. Golly! The weight savings is going to be incredible. The difference in those, I like to weigh them compared to the straight through design of the Hooker Blackheart. Should be a night and day difference, and it's really heavy. So I'm thinking, you know, we're lightening it up a little bit, a little weight saving. Well, let's see how bad this fits. There she goes. Give us a little bit of a sea salt there. Definitely helped out. Oh yeah, buddy.
Before you get your clamp on.
Yeah, honestly, you can't turn it. This right here is gonna center that up for you. I'd say it's pretty common, to be honest with you. Now this is where you kind of.
That 2002 Camaro, think it might have had them on it?
I'll guarantee it probably did.
I might have to call down there and say, hey, you got them hangers?
What do you think, man? That's actually a good fit. Look at that.
You getting a headache?
Yeah, I believe I just
That's a good fit right there. See, man.
You getting a headache?
On my own neck, when I do that, it just pops and cracks.
The engineers at Hooker knew what they were doing. That looks good.
Too much racing, flipping that neck around.
That's why you buy a street car.
Now, before you tighten that up, do you need to turn them, or are you happy the way they are?
Take a peek at it. What do you think? Oh man, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Get a shot of that versus that. So you got your 4-inch versus your 3-inch. Which may not look like a whole lot on camera, but in person I can tell a pretty significant change in it. That's cool, man.
Now let's let it down a round or two and get a look at it.
See what we're working with. I'd rather get it here than get it under here and breathe it, you know.
I'd have to say I do like that better than I do that.
Oh, it's much better.
Fills it up.
Yeah, the 4-inch tips make a world of change in it, man. It's night and day. And look how much nice and cleaner it is underneath. You lost a lot of weight too. There's about a 10-pound difference in the exhaust. It's significant. You can tell a big change in it.
Straight cut.
Yeah, pretty much.
See it. I can see it.
Yeah. See, there's what the vacuum does. It closes it.
Yep.
Somebody bought me a nice Christmas present here. Thank you, sir.
factory exhaust.
You didn't know you
What a
needed
guy.
it that bad,
Look
did
at
you?
that. Made in
I'll
Canada.
follow you around again, won't I?
On the wall. It's on there.
Oh, okay. Sorry, senor.
Senior. Maybe give it a little thrust.
And I'll push.
Yeah. Might have to twirl too.
If we don't stir the muffler.
Might get to push and twirl and
All that good stuff.
yeah. Hey, Larry's got
Hey.
mustard there.
Oh, yeah.
Now you look
Oh
good.
yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
I was getting a little bit excited there for a minute.
How excited are you?
Very excited.
Wow. That made a significant difference in this car.
Everybody been wanting that job done on theirs.
Well, I take back what I said about the engineer man.
See, we ain't all that bad now. Some of us are all right.
You know,
I tell you, man, I like working on these 50 ones.
They're fun. They're easy, and they're fast, and they don't use a lot of gas.
Yeah, they're not too bad.
I'm getting 18 miles to the gallon with 500 horsepower. I drive it like in the city. I get 26 on the highway.
I'm getting about 15 in my Suburban.
But my ZR2 only gets about 14. So to buy like a full system for this car, you'd be paying like
How much was that?
$1,400. That right there was around $720.
Real?
It's a lot. It's a lot.
Wow.
But you're paying for the engineering behind it. You're paying for the mandrel bends. You're paying for it to fit right. You're paying for the chrome and the polish. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Those 4-inch tips are just plain dirty stuffed up under there. All right, let it eat here. Sit. Waited all day to hear this.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry, gentlemen. I thought everybody was ready for it.
Let me get that. Let me get the moon. We got a bad moon rising.
So, NPP versus Hooker Blackheart. I'm gonna say that is definitely deeper, way deeper. And would you say louder?
Mm-hmm.
How much louder? We need a decibel test. But did it hurt your ears before? Maybe a little. Did it hurt him now, like real bad? Okay, so it hurt his ears more now than it did before. So it's definitely louder. That's what we wanted. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we got more mods coming for the ZR2, and that's going to be coming up next week. So we're going to be putting a lift on the truck. So we're going back to truck stuff next week. But that will conclude the Hooker Blackheart install. Like I said, comment below and let me know what you're running. And thanks for watching. We're out.